Aunt Flo comes knocking at our door at the most unexpected times, and no matter how prepared you are, dealing with the pain, discomfort, and of course the mess can be very difficult. So we've come up with a few simple tips to help you get through your next period with ease. Did you know that cold relief balms can not only be used to cure a cold but also period cramps? Gently rub a tiny amount of it onto your stomach or lower back at night to get a good night's rest. It has eucalyptus oil in it that eases muscle soreness and increases circulation in the area, relieving you of that horrible pain. Painkillers are a safe bet when it comes to dealing with menstrual aches and cramps, but over a period of time, our bodies become immune to the medication. A pinch of turmeric in a glass with warm milk is the perfect solution as it works as a natural painkiller. Turmeric acts as an anti-inflammatory agent, reduces mood swings, and prevents sleep disturbance. Use 2 sanitary napkins overlapping each other at night, one in the front and one towards the back of your underwear. This will give you added protection through the long hours of the night, and you can wake up feeling fresh and stain-free. Having technology at our fingertips is more of a boon than a bane in this situation. Several period tracking apps such as Clue or Period Diary are now available on our smartphones. They aren't always 100% accurate, but if you put in your details every month, they will help you track it better. Being a woman can be hard, but dealing with Shark Week doesn't have to be.
Hello.
Hopefully these tips work for you and help you get through your next period with ease. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.